What?
Be careful not to drop it.
What? What? What were you saying? What were you saying? What? What? What were you saying? Really? Really? Do you feel bubble blowing is appropriate? Really? You do? You feel that bubble blowing is appropriate? You want to blow some more bubbles? Show Daddy some more bubble blowing. There we go.